Today we're going to go over building online assignments. You want to do online assignments because it can make your grading faster and easier. It makes it easier to collect assignments. You check for plagiarism, and you can even make automatic grading policies for late assignments. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is go to our course. And in the module section, let's build a module for the assignments. I'll call this module 2. Once you've built the module, then you're going to go to the plus sign, add assignment, create assignment, name your assignment, add item, and then this is a shell, so we're going to click on the assignment we just created, go to the pencil edit button, type in the details for the assignment, perhaps even the alignment with a course learning outcome. And we're going to give it our points. We can choose the assignment group, or we can create a new group here. We can have it display as points, or we can make this a complete and incomplete assignment. And we're going to select online submissions. The difference between these are that text entry will give them a text box where they can copy and paste. They can insert a link from the internet. They can do a recording or an audio recording. And file uploads is the most used, and that is where students will upload their own paper. You can even restrict the file types if you don't want them to turn in PDFs and you want them to be Word documents. I usually leave this alone, so if they need to turn in an assignment twice before deadline because maybe they want to correct something that they turned in. The plagiarism checker is called Turn It In, and you can enable this so that students receive immediate notification if there is plagiarism, or you can have it after an assignment is graded or after the due date. You pick the due date. It will automatically set at 11:59 p.m., but you can change the due date time. You can make it available until a certain day where after this date they wouldn't be able to turn it in. So if the original date was the 8th, I could give them a few more days where they can turn it in up until the Monday if they didn't make this Friday deadline. And if I want to, with my grading policies, I can set a late policy that applies each day it is late. And I'm going to click save if I'm still working on it, and I'm going to click save and publish if I am ready for students to see it. Just because this is published doesn't mean students can see it yet. Go back to your modules and look and check to see that the module itself is published. The module here is not published. You can tell because there's a do not enter sign. If we want to publish the module, we can click here and we can publish this module, which will make this a green check mark. Now the students can see it. So if I don't have it published, let me just show you what it looks like when it's not published. Then let's see what it looks like from students end where they can turn in their assignment. So sample assignment 2. I want to turn in my assignment, so I'm going to upload it here. I can drag and drop my assignment in as a student, and notice that I need to agree that this is my own original work. Yes, it is. And I'm going to submit my assignment. Now it looks like it's been submitted, so I am done. You can now go to the SpeedGrader. You can see that they've submitted their assignment. Give them points and give them comments. You can even create your own library of comments that you use a lot. You can also give audio and video comments here. You can do speech to text, and we can have another video on using these comment features here. There's also a way to bulk download all of the submissions so that you can use track changes in Microsoft Word and then bring them back in and upload them for students. Okay, so that is from the SpeedGrader. So that's it for the online assignments. I just want to reiterate that you should build the assignments through modules. So that is it for the assigning online assignments in Canvas. Thank you.